Hi y'all, it's Alice with Vintage Gal 18. I'm coming to you with another card using my October card kit by Simon Says Stamp. I'm going to be using the TypeWriter paper as a background, and I've already pre-punched and created some flair so I could make that TypeWriter stand out a little bit. I just do that 3x4 card on top of the TypeWriter paper. I'm going to use my foam tabs to put that on top of cardstock, create a card, and that's it. So I hope you guys are enjoying my cards video. I know I'm gonna bombard you all weekend with them. I hope this inspires you to create some cards. Stay tuned because I have been working on my November card kit as well, so I'll be coming to you with those as well. Thanks y'all, bye.